Hello and welcome to Retail KPI Dashboard template. This template offers you a secret to become professional. Whether you have a boutique or a giant store doesn't matter. Here is the secret. Every single business needs to track key performance indicators, which known as KPI. Only 4 retailers will develop this simple performance tracking tool, so let's see the details. Basically, the template has 2 main sections. The first one is the section at which we input our values like current year actual, current year target, and past year actual. The second one is the section at which we analyze our results in the dashboard view and also together the charts at the same time. Additionally, in KPI info sheet, you can see the details and descriptions and also formulas for each KPI we have used in the template. So we put some dummy information to show you the tool, but you'll fill this template with your own data. Let's make an example together now. I want to add new metric to my report. I'm going to add this new item to my input section here. I can use the existing empty areas or add a new row. For this example, instead of inputting manually, I'm going to use another file that I've been working on before. I'm taking current year actual values and putting into relevant section here. Similarly, I'm taking current year target values and putting into relevant section here. And the last one, I'm taking past year actual values and putting into relevant section here. That's all. Now we can see the dashboard updates. According to our new KPI, dashboard section shows monthly and cumulatively results at the same time. You can change the month from this drop down easily and see the details. And the chart section, you can track your trends with monthly and cumulatively at the same time. And let's see our new KPI on the chart. That's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to check our other templates at Someka website. Thank you.